Good day, my name is Yao Ming, a certified AP Solid Blocks installer. If you're looking for a product to satisfy your construction needs, this is the product for you. Today we are going to learn how to install the stairs. As you can see here, my partner is measuring the right length of the steps. And now, we have the exact measurements, we are going to cut it to the right length. So this line right here is where we are going to cut the AP solid blocks for stairs. The standard size of AP solid blocks for stairs is 1 meter by 8 inches by 2 inches. But we are only going to need 80 centimeters of the stairs. Okay, cut it now. Okay, bring it here. Put it there. So now we are going to cut the excess deformed bars. We only need a minimum of 2 inches of dowel so we can weld our AP solid blocks to the angle bars. Okay, we're gonna put this here. And that is how to install AP solid blocks for stairs. It's really quick and easy to install. And it's lightweight and durable. It saves you time and money. So what are you waiting for? Use AP solid blocks now.